Just like that.
Wash. Rinse. Dry. Wash, rinse, dry.
Great job, Julia.
Thank you.
Thank you, Julia.
Hey, what are you two up to?
Helping.
Julia helped me clean these old plastic containers so I can reuse them for art class at the community center.
That's great.
By reusing these items, we're being kind to our community and the environment too. We're helping keep them clean and beautiful. Right, Julia?
Right.
That's amazing, Julia. Well, like Mom always says, it's important to always be kind and find ways large and small to help our community.
Hey, can I help too?
Julia and I have already finished with the containers, but there's lots of other things we can do.
Like what? What are other things we can do?
Well, we can help our environment and our community through acts of kindness and caring by doing simple things, like making sure to turn the water off when we're done using it.
Or remembering to turn off the lights when no one's in a room. That'll help us save electricity.
Off.
By being careful to only use what we need and not waste water and electricity, we will help our environment and our community.
Donating clean clothes you've outgrown or toys you no longer play with is another way to show kindness to others.
I can do that.
Well, somebody in this room helped our neighbor feel really great this week by doing something extra special for them.
Oh, Julia did.
Oh, what did you do, Julia?
I painted a picture.
Oh, that was really kind, Julia. Well, I'm going to start helping right now, too. I have some great music books that I can donate.
You know, there's a local clothes and home goods drive happening this weekend. We can all help.
Row, row.
Great work, everyone. What is it, Julia?
I am happy.
Yeah, me too.
We are too.
Oh, me too, honey.
Being kind and caring to others and the environment helps make our community beautiful for all of us.
Good dog, Rose. You're such a smart dog.
Good girl, Rose.